I just said it was a blessing to know that these kittens were both still alive and the sun came out in agreement. My cats are freaking out inside, but I'm not letting them out right now. I don't want to scare these babies off. See, my cats are freaking out. That's the mom cat right there. Yay, mama. It's the mama cat.